Well, these are some videos that were generated in ElevenLabs. Yeah, that one tool that people use to generate speech from text. Now it has some features that let you generate images and even videos. So this is still very new. In fact, when I check on Google about this particular edition, there is no info about it. And also, when I check the official account of ElevenLabs on X, there is no mention about this new feature that lets you create videos in the platform. So this is still very, very new, and perhaps there could be some more addition or context in the future, but at least at the moment, you can now use the video generation tool in ElevenLabs to generate some videos from text or from images. So here's how you can access the tool. Let's open ElevenLabs, and I'm using the desktop version, and perhaps it is only available on this version, so you might want to use your laptop or computer to access the video generation. Now navigate to login and just log in with your account. And here on the left side, you'll see there is a new menu called image and video, and that's where you can start generating some images or videos. So here are some examples that were created by other users in ElevenLabs, or perhaps these are just some curated videos and images from the company. But regardless, you can actually play around with them. You can open it. You can also see what prompt that was used. You can use the video for your other project. You can download the video if you want to. You can also upscale. You can create, some variation of the video. So it is definitely a tool that is made for content creators or anyone who wants to generate videos for their own project. Now here, there are many tools, there are many things that you can do, but I'll just focus on creating a video using either text or frame or picture, because there are some nuances and important information that you need to know. And also, this tool is not cheap. It is free, by the way. I mean, you can use it even though you're using the free version of ElevenLabs, but it will consume quite a lot of credits. So let me show you one example. Here, you can select the model. There are plenty of models. There is OpenAI SORA, there is also Google Veo 3.1, there is also Kling model, there is also Seedance 1.2.5, and many others in the future. So as you can see, even the cheapest model of Google Veo 3.1 Fast, it is 4,000 credits, and that is minimum, by the way. That with the lowest duration and lowest resolution. Now, let me give you one example. This is the model that I'm going to use, Seedance 1 Pro. It is only 700 credits, which is, very cheap. But as you can see, now it says 2,000 because that's assuming I was using the smallest resolution, and I'm using the smallest duration. And that means I can get, about 700 credits when creating a video using the Seedance 1 Pro model. So that's one thing that you need to know when using this tool, because the pricing here is just that is the minimum amount that you'll spend. But if you're creating a longer video or with more complex settings and bigger resolution, and perhaps you want to enable negative prompting or enable audio, then it's going to be significantly more and more expensive. So just make sure to check the number here, because you don't want to accidentally burn your credits in just a few videos. And that's just a good practice when using this tool. Now for this example, I guess I'm going to be using the SORA 2 model, and I'll just use this duration is 4 seconds, and yeah, that's about it. And for the prompt, honestly, I don't know what prompt that I want to use, but let's say I want to generate a video, an authentic close-up video of a golden retriever landing, or perhaps, landing a passenger jet plane. Okay, so it's a pilot. There you go. Let's send the message and just wait. Yeah, it is 4,000 credits just for creating this video. Now, I always have access to SORA 2 model via the official platform, but this is actually a fun way, and maybe for some people it is nice that they have the option to generate videos and images directly in the tool that they use to create audio like music or speech. So yeah, now it is more about which platform has the most features, and apparently that's the one way that ElevenLabs, alongside with many other tools, are taking. They're trying to make people to be, reliant on their AI tool, because in that tool they have everything. And yeah, that's gonna be the future of AI progression, I think. But anyway, just wait, and I guess I'll just keep on to show you what the video would look like and maybe a few things that you can do afterwards. So I'll be back in a second. So yeah, the video has been generated, and by the way, I actually have tried the same prompt or similar prompting before, but I was using the Veo 3.1 model, and this is the result. Okay, it is decent, but how about from the SORA 2 model? Well, let's find out.
500, 400, speed check, landing copy. Reverse screen, spoilers.
Okay, I would say it feels more authentic, a bit more realistic in my opinion, and also there is the audio, so that's pretty good. And here, there are a few things that you can do. First, of course, you can download the video to your computer. You can also use the video for lip sync video. You can upscale the video or recreate the video or put it as a project in the studio feature in ElevenLabs. So these are a few things that you can do, and they are going to be a bit more complicated for this tutorial, so maybe I'm going to cover about these topics in the future. But yeah, that's essentially the basic of generating an AI video using the new video generation feature in ElevenLabs. So yeah, that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.